Dear school and district users, we have launched one more module to update the progress on major repair. Okay, so before starting, just check the status under physical achievement. Okay, just click on the major repair, click on any district, your district, and check. Okay, suppose this is the school in which I have to enter the progress. I'm just logging in it. Okay, let's see under major repair. So I'm just updating the progress. If I update it, just see data says successfully. If I make it completed and enter the completed year, just see the data is locked. Okay, if wrongly I have updated, you just call your district officials to get this unlock because you have done the wrong entry. The district will go to physical progress under major repair under verification by unlocking it. Okay, it was unlocked. Then you can see by entering your school ID and password whether it was locked, unlocked or not. Just see it was unlocked. So this is the previous status. So I'm just saving it. So this is how you would be uploading the physical progress under major repair. For district users, the district can also update the progress by using his own user ID and password. I'm just logging it with Cytol. The district will go under the major repair and they can update the progress here. The same process is same, just like school. They can go and just update. This is coming Chongal. I am updating it. Just see it was locked. And you can unlock also or locked also. If you locked it, then it will lock it permanently. Then you will not be able to modify. If you say unlock, then this school is ready again for updation of the progress. Okay, so this is how you would be uploading the physical progress on the major prayer approved for your schools and districts. Thank you.